Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of drones and their pivotal role in revolutionizing the field of civil engineering. Join us as we explore how drones are reshaping the way we plan, execute, and monitor construction projects. Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles or UAVs, have soared beyond hobbyist gadgets. In civil engineering, they've become indispensable tools, offering a unique vantage point and a wealth of data to engineers and project managers. One of the key advantages of drones is their ability to capture high-resolution aerial imagery. This helps in creating accurate 3D models of the project area, aiding in precise planning and design optimization. Structural inspections are a critical aspect of civil engineering. Drones, with their ability to reach difficult-to-access areas, make inspections more efficient and less risky for workers. They can capture detailed imagery and provide valuable insights into a structure's health and stability. The real-time monitoring capabilities of drones are game-changers. Construction sites can be monitored remotely, providing project managers with real-time data on progress, resource allocation, and adherence to schedules. This technology minimizes delays and improves overall project efficiency. Surveying large landscapes or terrains traditionally required significant time and resources. Drones, on the other hand, can cover vast areas in a short period, collecting data for creating precise topographical maps. This data is fundamental for planning and executing construction projects. Combining drones with sophisticated software allows for advanced data analysis and visualization. Drones can capture immense amounts of data during flights, and with the help of AI and analytics tools, engineers can derive meaningful insights for better decision-making throughout the project lifecycle. The future of drones in civil engineering is bright and filled with innovation. We envision advancements in AI integration, extending flight times through improved battery life, and even more sophisticated sensors. Drones will continue to drive efficiency and safety in construction, ensuring a better and sustainable future. We've just scratched the surface of how drones are shaping the future of civil engineering. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Thank you for joining us, and we'll catch you in the next video.